Hello students, today we're going to be reviewing sums using place value. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, we're going to start with our word problem right here. It says Evan finds the sum of 72 hundreds, 3 tens, and 19 ones. Which number represents Evan's sum? So first of all, we have to understand our question. It says which number represents Evan's sum. Represents is just a fancy word for shows, and sum is just a fancy word for you're gonna have to add. Okay, so let's go back to the statement. The statement says Evan finds the sum, again that's an important word, of 72 hundredths, comma, that means that there's a separation of the numbers, 3 tens, comma, there's a separation of the numbers again, and then 19 ones. This kind of question can seem more complicated than it really is. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer it over to your place value chart. And again, we organize our place value chart with ones and tens and hundred thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, so we've done that part. So let's start with our sum, starting with 72 hundredths. I'm going to go to the hundredths place that is right here, and I'm going to write the number 72 in there. Then I'm going to go to the next number, which is 3 tenths. I'm going to write a 3 under the tens place. And now I'm going to go to the ones place, and I'm going to put in 19. Now, this may seem a little bit complicated, but it really is not. So let's start with 72. Whenever you have a digit in a place value, you cannot have two. You need to make sure you move it over. For example, here we're going to move over the number 7 because we cannot have two numbers in the same place value. We're going to go ahead and erase that 7 because we've already moved it. And then the 3 is fine, and then the 19, again, we can't have two numbers, so we're going to move that 1 into the tens place. Okay, so far I hope you're with me. All you have to do now is add your zeros to complete the value. For example, 72 hundredths turns into 7,200. 3 tens turns into 30. And then the 19 turned into 19. Okay, from here, all you have to do is add it all together. That'll be 9, 4, 2, 7. Okay, so Evan finds his sum, and his sum was actually 7,249.